Mate, it's been absolutely fantastic talking to you. It really has. You've given us, I think, the listeners a lot of insight into the industry. You've got 33 years of professional music entertainment advice that you've laid upon us here in an hour. Thank you so much. Is there anything else that you want to, any nuggets, words of wisdom that you want to leave the viewers with here before we sign off here, Darren?
Words of wisdom. Words of wisdom. Be true to yourself and follow your passion.
Beautiful.
And just work hard at what you love.
Excellent. I think
because the rewards will come.
They're absolutely fantastic words, Darren. It's I think that everyone that's not just the music industry, anything. Find
anything, exactly.
Yourself and then follow it. So it's absolutely fantastic. Mate, thank you so much for your time today. I really do appreciate it. I know that you're busy, you've got a lot of things on. So thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. And